Everyone knows you got to get it right in the bed, and you especially need proper protection. There's no better protection than a spray-in bed liner from Pickup Outfitters. We start with this embarrassingly bare bed. Then clean away the filth and the spills. Next, we apply wire tape to what will be the edge of the spray-in liner, a very important step because it will determine whether or not your liner has a clean edge and whether your tailgate closes smoothly. Our spray techs have been factory trained in all phases of the spray-in liner process. After the wire tape has been applied, it's time to prep the bed. A high-speed plastic wire brush is used to scuff the bed. This creates a surface that allows the chemical compound to adhere to the bed. The bed does not need to be sanded, but it does require this scuffing process for proper application. Next, the bed is cleaned again to remove the particulates, and a solvent is applied to remove impurities. Now, it's time to spray the bed. Before the spray process begins, the entire truck must be taped off with plastic to prevent overspray on the outside of the truck. A tarp separates the cab from the truck of the bed. Pickup Outfitters uses Armadillo linings from Marvel Coatings in Houston. It's a superior product because it uses a high polyurea mixture rather than a standard polyurethane composition. The chemical compounds are first heated to the proper temperature and then loaded into our high-pressure application gun, which mixes the two chemical compounds together as it is applied to the truck, forming a tough, rugged liner in the bed of your truck. The spray tech must wear a protective suit and breather at all times. After spraying, the compound dries almost immediately. The protective plastic and the line tape are removed. All the hardware and existing accessories are then reassembled on the truck. And the result is rugged but beautiful. And your truck is ready to get back to work, fully protected. Pickup Outfitters backs its spray-in liners with a lifetime limited warranty for as long as you own your truck. This video was recorded entirely at Pickup Outfitters in Waco and not at some home office or manufacturer 1,000 miles away. Call us now to schedule your appointment to have your spray-in liner professionally applied by Pickup Outfitters of Waco.